Peace. It's your boy Attical representing that There It Is Entertainment, and I'm here with a new video. But before we get into that, what I need you to do is hit that subscribe button, and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Peace. And I'm back. And I know you guys are probably like,
oh my god, Addie's making a new video. What the fuck? It's been forever, and what the fuck are wicks?
Well, in short, wicks are a hairstyle that is popular mainly in South Florida, and I am a Floridian, born and raised in the county of Dade. And I've always loved hair, you know, like even in high school, I had braids for the most part of high school, then I got dreads, and then I cut those off. And then I just kept it with the fade, and then I decided to grow dreads again, and I grew those for about 3 years. You guys were probably around then. I had those growing, and then I had a bunch of dreads, and they were just really nice and really upkept and all that. But then I decided, you know what, I kind of want them a little bit knottier, you know what I'm saying? I want them more together, more, you know, like bongo Congo dreads. So I tried to make them wicks. I put a bunch of rubber bands in them and connected them, and they started actually growing the way that I wanted. Fast forward 2017, I moved to Charleston, South Carolina, where I go on my freeform journey, which is a journey I really, really loved. It was a lot of fun. I literally did nothing to my hair but watch it. I probably watched it about once or twice a month just to make sure, you know, the dandruff wouldn't be in there, and just to get all the grease out, and just to make sure my hair was, you know, looking good. And lo and behold, my hair was actually locking all by itself with me putting nothing in my hair. You know, like, it was a very awesome journey. I had hair all around. I didn't shave my sides off yet. I just had hair everywhere, and it was just growing like great. Then I decided I wanted to go with a different look, so I decided to go with a fade and chop off the side of my head. And I like that look also, and my hair was still thriving on the top. Like, my hair was longer than it is now. Like, and it was probably around this height actually. And that only took me like a year to grow it that way. Then I asked my cousin, is there any way that she could like uniform it and make it look a little better? You know, because the way that it was matting up is like so mad out of control. Like, I couldn't control how I wanted it styled anymore. So she did something for me, which I liked for a long time, but then I decided it wasn't really going the way that I planned. Like, I tried to do different things to it. Like, originally when I had my real nice dreads, when I first got them, I tried to do the same thing, try to put rubber bands in them so they could interlock with each other, but I just didn't like how it looked, you know, just not on my head. It probably would have looked better for somebody else, but just not for me. So then I decided to chop it off again and start over, because my hair grows fast as hell. Like, my hair right now, like I said, like, I've only been growing it for coming up probably like a year right now and some change, and it's already this length. So now here's the decision how I'm going to grow my hair. I'm going to go with the wick style. I'm gonna use it with rubber bands, do it all over the top of my head, still keep the fade because I like that look, and maybe in the future I'll change that up too and start growing on the sides, but I highly doubt that. I really just like the look of dreads just on the top of your hair. So since much is actually already locking together, I'm going to do the wick style with 2 rubber bands. And just to let you guys know, I already put castor oil and aloe vera gel in my hair to help it grow thicker. And I'm going to show you guys an example of how you start off your wicks. But I'm not going to do my whole hair. I'm not going to show you guys the whole hair, but I will show you the end result. So let's get into it. All right, so there's one thing that you need, definitely, is going to be your best friends, rubber bands. And I'm going to use the black ones. As you guys can see, my hair is like really matted, curly and shit, locking. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split it down the middle. Separate that. That's going to be one lock all together. Grab it. Take a rubber band, and I'm gonna wrap it twice. I don't want to wrap it too many times. I'm gonna wrap it twice at the bottom. Boom. And then we'll put one more rubber band at the tip. Well, that's going to be one wick. Size. gonna be one of my wigs. And that's just how it's just going to look for now. So,
and I'm back. As you guys can see, I finished my wigs. They're all over my head, all the way around, parted and all that shit, all the way around. I'm not really sure how many I got. I think probably about 15, 20, somewhere in between there. Matter of fact, let me take off my stocking cap. Only have that on, this on just to like kind of protect my ear. Then I got a big one so when I'm sleeping, I like them. And then parting and shit. What I plan to do once they start locking a little bit more, start putting them together. Probably like put this one with this one, the ones in the front, put them together. But I'm gonna wait on that first because I kind of like this look right now. Or I might just keep it like this and just let it wick out like this. Not sure yet, but the plan is definitely to probably put them together and shit. So yeah, that's what they came out with. And then I made sure to give myself a little shape up. I do my own shit. I go into the barbershop because the Rona's still out here. Not playing that shit. And yeah, I actually I fuck with them. I like them a lot. So what I'm gonna do every day, just sprit some water on it, wash it probably like once a week if I can. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try to hold off for probably like 2 weeks so they could like lock more. But I'm still gonna wet them. And also, let me know what you guys think because I am not an expert when it comes to wigs. Let me know if I'm doing it wrong. Let me know if you're feeling what I'm doing. Let me know how you feel about my transition from the past up until now. Just let me know what you guys think in the comments and I will respond and I will take what you say into consideration to make my hair look better and get better. But at the end of the day, I still like what I like, but I am not the type of person to not take other people's opinions into consideration. So just let me know in the comments. Shit, so this is the start of my wig journey. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, peace, love. It's your boy Adequate representing that. There it is, entertainment. Peace. Holla.